Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I just want to point out the course schedule in this check-in. So this is of course week 12, and I'm sorry for it looking a little off on the formatting when you have an Apple computer. Sometimes they do that. But this is week 12. We're going to talk about a little bit more about health literacy and communication, kind of a second round on this. So you'll have more information in a few videos here. You of course have your responses to the discussion board, which are due, but we're getting really close. So week 13, we talk about culture and communication, and then we prepare and study for the final exam. I want to put out there, you're going to have a study guide for the final exam, so don't stress about that. More information coming soon. To the course content itself, you're going to have some interesting topics, right? You're going to have a short video from me, and then you're going to have some a really great lecture that I left on here from last class. It's not, of course, something you're going to see on the test, but it's something I thought was interesting. Judy Will actually did this lecture, and I think it's worth your watch. Some information, too, on a TED Talk that I think is really interesting as well, and then a short video from me, discussion post, and some interesting information here. I put a reminder out to make sure you finish your homework. You can go back and actually redo your homework to get a higher grade. So I recommend you do that. If you get a 60 or 70 on one and it was a little more challenging, take it again, get a better grade, post that for your final. If you need anything in the meantime, don't hesitate to reach out. This week's material is open, and I look forward to seeing your work on it. Let me know if you have any questions.